Good day all. Today we will be learning how to filter headings from Google Sheets. Step 1. Let us assume we have the following sheet in the following format. Here we can see that all the categories and the institutes are in a random order. First, I will show how to filter out the categories. Initially, click on the row at which the heading are present. Select the row and go to the Data menu. Here we are able to see the option Filter. Click on the filter. We will be now able to click on the lines present near the headings. Click on the preferred data to be extracted. We can also see that a double filtration can also be done for 2 consecutive categories at the same time. If you need to make the Google Sheet back to its original state, click on the Clear Filter option at the toolbar. It is a simple process that will greatly help in easy identification and documentation. I hope that all of you have understood the filtering process in the Google Sheets. Kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel for more doubt rectification videos.